Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop website. So I'll be showing you guys how can you essentially start leaving reviews or comments under a Whop. So let's jump right into it now. First of all, make sure to open up Whop on your web browser, log in with your preferred profile, and now be mindful that in order to leave any comments under a certain Whop, you will have to join that WAP's waitlist, or you'll have to join the WAP itself. So once you join one of those, down here there will be a comment button where you'll be able to leave a review under comments. As of now, you're not allowed to reply since you're not a part of this one. However, once you find the one that you want to join and once you join it, simply once you join, you'll be able to leave reviews and to, of course, have access to all of the benefits of that store. So essentially, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video and for following along. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.